decided to do a little bit of shopping on AliExpress. Found this ESD solder anti-static mat for working with phones and that. And as you can see, it's got nice little trap doors for screws. Put your screwdrivers in it and everything else, and it looks pretty good for $6, right? And this is what came in. No doors, no frills, and nothing. It looks like more like a it looks like a mouse pad. Did they send me this in error? It is made out of some kind of silicone. I'll get a better view. There we go. But nothing like advertised. There's no little doors. I can't put my screws in it. I'm not too sure what I'm going to use this for. Maybe a glorified mouse pad? Would it work? Nope. It's not slippery enough. I suppose I could keep screws in it, but it's not as advertised, so I'm not going to recommend it, obviously. But it is kind of funny how they don't match it up with the picture. Take it easy.